Cockroaches disappear in 1 minute without poison or traps. Hello! Nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that cockroaches can run at a speed of about 5 kilometers per hour, which is equivalent to a 2-meter tall person running at a speed of more than 300 kilometers per hour? Although they themselves do not cause disease, cockroaches can transmit pathogens such as Salmonella, Escherichia coli, and staph, so it is important to get rid of them as soon as possible. Before applying this method of repelling cockroaches, you need to thoroughly clean the entire surface and remove all leftover food, including pet food. Keeping clean is key to combating these uninvited guests, otherwise they will not leave and all your efforts will be in vain. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1, we will chop 3 ingredients: bay leaves, cinnamon, and cloves. These 3 ingredients are natural cockroach repellents thanks to their strong scents. Bay leaves contain compounds that cockroaches cannot stand. Cinnamon has a strong aroma that keeps cockroaches away and can also be used as a barrier at entry points. Cloves, thanks to the eugenol they contain, act as a natural insecticide, repelling not only cockroaches but also many other insects such as ants and centipedes. You can sprinkle them anywhere you see cockroaches, but we're going to take it up a notch by adding 1 more ingredient. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and add 300 milliliters of the cheapest vinegar. The strong smell created by the acid in vinegar repels cockroaches and many other insects. In addition, vinegar also helps clean and disinfect surfaces that have been soiled by cockroaches, removing traces and harmful pathogens. Let the mixture sit for an hour to let everything dissolve. Then filter through a sieve. And put it in a spray bottle. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Spray this solution wherever you see cockroaches, ants, mice, centipedes, and other pests. Spray every day, and if your area is clean, free of food and debris, they will go away. Method 2. If you want to effectively solve your cockroach problem, I will share with you a simple solution with ingredients that you probably already have at home. Before applying, make sure to clean all surfaces thoroughly and remove any food residue, including pet food. Clean kitchen surfaces and areas where cockroaches often visit. Hygiene is key in the fight against these uninvited guests, otherwise they will never leave. The first ingredient is 300 milliliters of the cheapest vinegar. The acid in vinegar creates a pungent smell that repels cockroaches and other insects. In addition to acting as a natural repellent, vinegar also effectively disinfects surfaces contaminated by cockroaches, removing traces and potential pathogens. Then add a few drops of peppermint or lavender essential oil, which, thanks to their strong scent, can repel and disturb them. If you don't have essential oils, you can also use concentrated tea. And finally, Add a teaspoon of fresh garlic or garlic powder. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds with a pungent odor that is unpleasant to cockroaches and disrupts their sense of smell. Leave all ingredients in water for a few hours to release the active ingredients, then strain the mixture. You can dilute it further with a little water. We get an effective cockroach killer. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Use the resulting solution to spray everywhere you see cockroaches: kitchen, trash can, toilet. Repeat this process daily and be consistent for best results. Method 3, we use 3 bay leaves and a teaspoon of cloves, grind in a blender. Bay, leaves, and cloves act as natural repellents due to their essential oils and strong scent, which is unpleasant to the sense of smell of cockroaches and other insects. The scent of bay leaves contains cineol and eugenol, substances that repel insects and repel them from the area. Cloves are particularly powerful due to their high eugenol content, which also has antibacterial properties. When combined, these 2 ingredients effectively repel pests without the use of chemicals. Shake well, all in 300 milliliters warm water. Then add half a teaspoon of garlic, as it contains allicin, a pungent compound that repels cockroaches and other insects. This pungent smell confuses their sensory receptors and forces them to leave the area. In addition, garlic also has antibacterial properties, helping to clean and repel insects. Next, add 200 milliliters of vinegar because it has a strong, pungent smell that cockroaches cannot stand, so it is often used to repel them. Additionally, vinegar is a natural cleaner for any surface that has been contaminated by cockroaches. Leave everything in water for a few hours, then strain and put in a spray bottle. Then filter and put in a spray bottle. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Spray wherever you see cockroaches. Method 4, we will mix a spoon of boric acid, sugar. Boric acid is toxic to cockroaches, working by disrupting their digestive systems when ingested. Sugars attract cockroaches because they smell good, acting as bait, encouraging cockroaches to eat the mixture. The combination of these two substances effectively attracts and kills cockroaches. Place the bowl out of reach of pets or children. All the cockroaches will disappear quickly. Have you remembered all the above content? Today's video will stop here. If you find the content useful, remember to like and share to help more people. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.